Hello everybody. For this video I will be walking you through a tutorial for Sun Salutation B. Sun Salutation B is similar to Sun Salutation A, but it's a little more complex. It has a little more parts to it, and it's a little bit more of an intermediate to advanced series. I use it as a warm-up following Sun Salutation A for my intermediate and advanced vinyasa classes. So let's start. I will walk everybody through slowly a Sun Salutation B. So we're going to come to the top of the mat with our feet together. We start in the same way as Sun Salutation A, with our palms at the center of the chest. So for Sun Salutation B, we begin by exhaling, bending our knees, dropping to the floor. You can touch the floor with your fingers if you want. Inhale, we want to inhale into a chair pose. So chair pose, you don't have to be too far down or too far up. Any way is acceptable. You want to have your hands, palms together, fingers spread, and you want to be looking up towards your thumbs. And you want to have your shoulders down. Don't have your shoulders too far up. If you find your shoulders too far up towards your ears, bring your arms down and just look at your thumbs like this, and that's perfectly acceptable. But we want to start in this position. That's the inhale. Exhale, we want to fold forward like in Sun Salutation A. Palms come flat to the ground. We want to inhale, halfway lift or flat back. And we exhale back into plank and chaturanga. Inhale into an upward facing dog. Exhale into a downward facing dog. And here's where things change a little bit from Sun A. Your next inhale, you're going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to pivot your left foot outward. And we want to come into a warrior one. So a warrior one, you want to bend your right knee a little bit, bring the palms together in front of you. If you want to have them a little forward, that's fine to relax your shoulders down. Otherwise, you can bring them up into a warrior pose, have your fingers spread apart, look up towards your thumbs. That's the inhale. The next exhale, place the palms on the mat. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. This time, left foot comes forward, right heel spins in, and come into warrior one on the other side. Next exhale, palms come down, left foot comes back, chaturanga. Inhale, another upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. And for this downward facing dog, you want to take about 5 breaths. Let your head hang heavy, spread your fingers, spread your toes. Relax your shoulders, bring your hips back a little bit. And at the end of your next exhale, we're going to bend the knees, look forward, step to the top of the mat. To inhale, halfway lift or flat back. Exhale, forward fold, palms flat on the mat. Inhale into a chair pose again. Palms touch, look up towards your thumbs. And the exhale, stand up tall, arms swing to the side, and palms come back to the center of the chest. So I will walk everyone through 2 more Sun Salutations. And we will do them, the first one, a little bit faster pace, and then the third one at a regular, normal pace. So everybody, palms to the center of the chest, prayer pose. Bend your knees, drop your hips, touch the floor if you want. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Swan dive down, head comes last. Inhale, flat back, halfway lift. Exhale, step back into chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right foot forward, left heel spins in. Warrior one. Exhale, palms to the mat. Step back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. This time left foot forward, right heel spins in. Warrior one on the other side. Exhale, palms come back to the mat, left foot comes back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Let your head hang heavy. Relax your shoulders, spread your fingers and toes. Pull your hips back. And at the end of your next exhale, bend your knees, look forward, step to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, fold forward, palms to the mat. Bend your knees, drop your hips. Inhale into chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, rise up to standing, arms to the side, and palms to the center of your heart. Now one more time. For our third Sun Salutation B, a little bit faster. Bend your knees, drop your hips. Inhale, chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, forward fold, swan dive down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog, right foot forward, left heel spins in, warrior one. Exhale, down, right foot back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog, left foot forward, right heel spins in, warrior one. Exhale, palms down, left foot back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. At the end of our next exhale, bend your knees, look forward, step to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bend your knees, drop your hips. Chair pose. Exhale, rise up to standing, arms to the side, palms to the chest, in prayer pose. So that is Sun Salutation B. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Thank you once again for watching my videos. Have a great day.